Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the news of this hour is Global Geospatial Information Community sensitized about UNWGIC to be organized in India. The Global Geospatial Information Community was sensitized about the United Nations World Geospatial Information Congress, that is UNWGIC, to be organized by India. India will organize the event as a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is celebration of 75 years of Indian independence. The second United Nations World Geospatial Information Congress, that is UNWGIC, is to be organized by India in October next year. The objective of UNWGIC is to empower the rural population through the Swamitwa scheme, through which a digital certificate of landholding is being given to rural landowners. The core philosophy of the United Nations, that is UN, is to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal or SDG, for which India is committed to the motto of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, that is, no one should be left behind. The United Nations Committee of Experts on Global Geospatial Information Management, that is UNGGIM, organizes the United Nations World Geospatial Information Congress or UNWGIC every 4 years. The first UNWGIC was organized by China in October 2018. The core theme of second UNWGIC is Geo-enabling the global village. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.